Good morning. I wanted you to see the beautiful bison. I get to see these beautiful buffalo, and they're resting today, they're grazing. That was nice to see that one walking. It's going over there to get maybe some water or some salt. These creatures are just so beautiful to me. And that one there looks a little younger maybe, and then behind it maybe a little older. Take a moment and visit with them. I mean, at a distance, you know. And take in the beauty. Aren't they sweet and gentle creatures? At a distance. He's looking at me like, what are you doing? Such poetry. Okay, get out in it. See what you see today. This is I Am Nancy the Nature Girl. With the bison. Bye now.